This question is black to play, and the objective is to make a living shape. So what's interesting about this shape is that black has two stones here, meaning if black occupies both A and B, black can make a living shape here on the corner. Although black cannot play both points at the same time, black can play one of them and force white to play the other, and then black can go from there. So if we try this point, then white will certainly have to play here. Now, black has a cutting point that's become a vulnerability. If black makes an eye here, then white can cut and kill these three black stones, because black cannot capture white. So let's try the other point. If black plays here, then white will occupy here to prevent black from making two real eyes. Now, black can make this into a real eye. Now the problem is, can white's number 2 escape? And the answer is no, because if it plays on the first line like this, then white cannot connect to its stones on the outside. And once white plays on the second line, black will play on the first line and cut off this stone from the outside, and this will become a real eye. As soon as white plays on the second line, black can cut off white on the first line, like this. There are other variations you can try on your own, but in the end, black's number 1 right here is the correct answer. Thank you for watching.